What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and discussion for January 20th, 2023. And in this video, I'm coming at y'all all again with yet another severe weather outbreak possible for the central Gulf Coast this upcoming Tuesday here. As you can see, the Storm Prediction Center has outlined southeast Louisiana, southern Mississippi, Alabama, and parts of the western Florida panhandle. And this does include the New Orleans area, points eastward towards the Ocean Springs area in Mississippi, even further going further east along towards Mobile, Alabama, and even towards Destin, Florida. And as the discussion states, medium range models suggest that blocking within the large scale flow across the mid latitude Eastern Pacific may become a bit more prominent by the early to middle portion of next week, with broadly confluent cyclonic mean mid level flow evolving downstream across much of the U.S. through the remainder of the period. As this commences, models continue to indicate that a vigorous shortwave impulse will emerge from the southwest and support strong cyclogenesis across the upper Texas coast vicinity through the lower Mississippi and Ohio valleys next Tuesday into Wednesday. And as we take a look here at the models, this is what the Storm Prediction Center is actually talking about. And this will be the GFS valid for Tuesday morning, as you can see here. Over parts of Central Texas, you can see the system moving along to the northeast here. And as I put this into motion, you can see the strong southerly flow coming in off the Gulf of Mexico on the lower levels. This could possibly be a very significant event here for the Gulf Coast early next week. So we have to pay very close attention to this system here. This will be Tuesday afternoon here. You can see the system is racing out of East Texas here. And as we move along to Tuesday evening, starting to go into Tuesday evening and night, you can see the system races now into Mississippi here, but the strongest winds here over southeast Louisiana and parts of the Mississippi Gulf Coast. So the severe weather could be very much rocking here, especially if we can get into the warm sector of this system here for next week. So we will continue to look at this day to day to see if that progresses and change here. But it's looking like it can be a very good severe weather event here for parts of the Gulf Coast. And as we move on into Wednesday, you can see all this starts to lift out of our area and head on off to the East Coast. And even looking at the European model, pretty much in agreement with the GFS here, you have the system over the south central Texas coast area here, and the strong low level winds coming in up out of the Gulf. And as we move along into time here, Tuesday evening, you can see the system here across northeast Louisiana heading into Mississippi with the strongest winds here across southeast Louisiana, Mississippi Gulf Coast, moving eastward towards the Alabama Gulf Coast. So it's looking like, yes, this could be a very significant event here. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on the latest here. Each day I'm gonna come back here and we're gonna look at the models to see what they are showing and to see if this severe weather event may progress into a more serious situation than what's currently forecast. So that's going to be it for this video, you guys, and I will talk to you all later.